Here's a quick YouTube vid for all you YouTubers. Let's say you get done your project in your shop and your shop's hurting, like she's not looking good here. You got something similar to that mess going on. She just needs a quick facelift for cheap. This is what you're gonna wanna go do. Go down to Value Village or wherever. Grab yourself some paintings. Look at that bad boy. So this is a fox and an eagle. And they also have a little bit of moss and actual real rock on that painting. I got that for $2. That's pretty good value on your money. You really can't find that anywhere nowadays. And you grab a couple more, like look at that bad boy, 2 bean as well. There might be like Van Gogh or whoever. It might, I don't know, not too sure, but it's gonna be worth some money later on down the line, kind of an investment as well. But this is the one I'm hanging up today, and it's kind of reminds you of a farm. Let me just turn that. Nope. So you got mom cow. Might be another mom cow and a calf right in the middle there with a barn and a house in the background. And the thing I like about this is this pink border. It's like salmon on moss. That's what I'd say, salmon on moss. What a pick. But anyways, I'm gonna go hang that up. You want to find a stud or guess, like there's probably one right there. I'm not sure, I didn't hang that, but most likely. And even if there isn't one, these things are pretty cheap, so you can kind of just let it fall. If it falls, you just go buy another one, or whatever you're into, right? So yeah, that was pretty quick. That's about a 5-minute fix, and it definitely makes her feel a lot homier in here. And chicks love cows, so you probably have more girls hanging out in your shop. Probably pretty likely. And oh, with this one actually, I kind of splurged. This one was about 30 bean. So I'm gonna leave that tag on there. I don't know if you can really see it, but I spent $30 on that, so I kinda gonna leave it on there so people know that I am loaded and I collect art. It's kinda a dual purpose painting. So yeah, if you can find anything like that, a 10/10 would recommend hanging it up. Thanks.